Welcome to our channel, where we are proud to introduce a special collection of the most popular heavy-duty machine, a monster with tremendous power. Designed to overcome all the toughest work challenges, are you ready? Let's explore right now. The Trom 20 is effortlessly crossing muddy swamps thanks to its impressive design, with large and wide wheels that increase traction and allow it to overcome uneven terrain. The advanced suspension system of the Trom 20 helps maintain high ground clearance. Equipped with a powerful engine, it ensures maximum operating performance, while the safety brake system helps to stop the vehicle safely and efficiently overcome obstacles on any terrain. The RBS-20 sleeper changer is currently working on the railway track. This machine moves to where the rail needs to be replaced, using its wheels on the rails. Then it uses devices such as a handle and clamps to remove and install new rail sections. Once the new rail is in place, the RBS-20 sleeper changer uses a control system to check the replacement's accuracy and adjust the fence's position. With modern technology and automation features, the RBS-20 sleeper changer ensures that railway tracks are replaced quickly and accurately, thereby improving efficiency and safety in maintaining the railway. The Oversize HD810 is a powerful and efficient wood chipper designed to process various types of wood. The operating principle uses a powerful motor with rotating cutting blades at high speed to cut and smash large pieces of wood into smaller ones. The wood is fed into the machine and subjected to pressure from the cutting blades. This machine can quickly grind large blocks of wood into small pieces. Moreover, the Oversize HD810 has a crane that helps feed the wood into the machine, reducing the time required to provide the raw material. This feature ensures a faster and more efficient wood chipping process. The Kokurek-built high-reach Caterpillar 390F is a high-rise demolition machine with a height of up to 185 feet, allowing it to perform cutting and demolishing tasks on high-rise construction projects. It uses a powerful diesel engine that provides enough power for cutting and different demolition parts to ensure flexibility in demolishing other structures. These parts include the chassis, crane arm, rotating drive system with 360-degree rotation capability, and high-speed rotating blades. When in operation, this machine moves the rotating blade through the materials to be cut or demolished, breaking them down into small pieces. With its ability to perform difficult cutting and demolition tasks, this machine is a technological marvel in the construction industry. The Cutter soil mix machine is currently operating at high speed and efficiency. The cutting head has two cutting wheels to mix a cement and soil mixture into a uniform mass. This mixture is then injected between the two wheels, creating a beautiful solid material, allowing the cutting head to sink into the ground quickly. Cutter soil mix offers many benefits, including high water retention capacity and structural integrity for retaining walls. The cutter soil mix machine improves the mixing process with soil structure, providing a better quality finished product for retaining walls and other construction projects. If you are passionate about muscle machines and heavy equipment, subscribe to the channel and we will bring you more amazing devices. Masago is an excavator designed for construction projects such as grounding, foundation, tunneling, and drainage channeling. The machine can drill and assemble adjacent walls continuously and accurately. The device's design resembles a conventional excavator with an arm and digging bucket attached to the frame. The Masago arm consists of 3 components combined by a rotating joint. This allows the machine to excavate and grind adjacent walls without causing excessive noise or vibration during construction. Scarification OSA 280 is a valuable machine for forest planting and management. With the ability to perform soil preparation and ground treatment tasks, this machine helps create favorable conditions for solid crop growth. When the device operates, its sharp blades rotate around an axis, tearing through the soil to create open spaces for better air and water flow, promoting plant growth. The sound of the engine when in operation reflects the power and strength of this impressive machine. Demeric Rail is a unique machine designed to cut vignole railway tracks efficiently. This machine is attached directly to the material to be cut and controlled by machinery to perform the cutting process. The cutting power depends on the pressure and current provided by the machinery. Demeric Rail can cut all existing vignole railway tracks with standard quality up to 900 N/mm2. At the port, moving containers requires robust and flexible machines, and the SOCMA HNRS 4531 is a product manufactured by SOCMA Heavy Machinery LLC. With a powerful engine and a high-quality hydraulic system, this machine can lift loads of up to 45 tons to move giant containers at the port. It can move quickly, and the SOCMA HNRS 4531 can also rotate, helping operators easily place containers in difficult or narrow positions, saving storage space for goods at the port. The man is using a stump grinder SP 5014 to process tree stumps. With a 360-degree rotating cutting blade system, he can adjust the depth and height of the cutting blade. The unique technology of the machine revolves around using rotating cutting blades to break and crush the stump and roots into small pieces. Despite its small size, the efficiency of this machine is impressive, helping operators quickly and conveniently remove tree stumps and roots. In the misty haze, a large tractor works hard to plow the fields, the Klaas Zarian 5000. With a MAN-D 2676 LF06 diesel engine with a capacity of 12.4 liters, this machine can generate a maximum power of up to 530 horsepower and a maximum torque of up to 2,400 nanometers. It also comes equipped with 8 plow blades arranged on both sides, with a width of up to 3.5 m, allowing it to quickly complete plowing tasks in large fields. Excavating tunnels is now done with machines to ensure progress and even size, and the bucket wheel trencher is one of the most potent tunnel excavators. With the ability to dig up to 6 meters deep and 2.5 meters wide, this machine is designed to operate on different types of terrain and is equipped with a digging mechanism. It includes a large screw wheel and a rugged steel cutting part. The large screw wheel helps bring soil and rocks to the surface quickly and with high precision, while the hard steel cutting part cuts through complex materials such as rock and hard ground. The demand for large-scale wood harvesting requires machines that integrate multiple tasks and are flexible in movement. The Kessler 28RH is designed with the ability to rotate and cut wood from various angles, optimizing the harvesting process and working efficiently on diverse terrains, including mountainous areas, swamps, or plantations. In addition, the machine is equipped with an automatic steering system and balance control to keep the device stable and avoid collisions with obstacles during movement. The Terrain Off-Road project with low-pressure tires is a notable innovation in the automotive industry. This vehicle has unique features that make moving on rugged terrain and snow easier than ever before. With low-pressure tires, the car can grip the road effectively on uneven terrain. Moreover, the car's suspension system is highly flexible, making it easier to control in challenging terrain. The vehicle's powerful engine helps it glide smoothly through thick snow-covered landscapes. The machine slowly moving in the field is the Vinhuis Rotamax, one of the modern chain-driven fertilizer spreaders. The device has fertilizer distribution discs, which help distribute fertilizer evenly on the ground surface. In addition, the machine is also equipped with an automatic fertilizer ratio control system, which balances the amount of fertilizer supplied when traveling on different terrains. With high productivity and the ability to spread fertilizer up to 18 meters, the Vinhuis Rotamax is among the best choices for large-scale agricultural work. This gruesome scene shows a giant crawler excavator at work in a vast coal mine in the United States. With its huge size and weight of thousands of tons, it can extract millions of tons of coal per hour. Its 360-degree rotation and nimble maneuvers are truly fascinating thanks to its crawler rails. Moreover, it can operate in diverse and challenging environments. This crawler excavator has a height of 75 meters and its boom reaches an amazing height of 27 meters, allowing it to expand its mining range. Caterpillar 992G wheel loader. The Caterpillar 992G is a heavy and powerful machine that Caterpillar manufactures. It is equipped with a powerful motor and advanced control system, allowing it to operate efficiently. Furthermore, the Caterpillar 992G possesses a powerful hydraulic system that allows it to shovel and lift loads up to 25 tons. It is equipped with a large barrel with a capacity of 12 cubic meters. This is a combination of the Terex RH30F excavator and the Vibro Ripper mechanism, a technologically advanced device used in excavation and demolition works. The Terex RH30F excavator is a large crawler excavator for moving soil, rock, and heavy materials. The combination of the Terex RH30F excavator and the Vibro Ripper mechanism has greatly facilitated the mining process. This is the Terex 4242R jaw crusher. Fasula's Heavy Transports, one of the most efficient and reliable crushing equipment in the stone crushing industry. With its large capacity, the Terex 4242R jaw crusher, Fasula's Heavy Transports offers great power during rock crushing. The OPP200 machine is an industrial equipment designed for sieving of soil and rock for the burial of power cables or networks. This is the lagoon crawler, a special type of machine used to handle waste. The lagoon crawler is designed to work on water and mud, allowing it to maneuver flexibly through swampy areas. Furthermore, the lagoon crawler is equipped with advanced technologies such as automatic control systems and smart sensors, which enable efficient machine operation. Harvest beets. During the sugar beet harvest season in the United States, two large tractors equipped with mechanisms such as reapers and radish containers are used to reduce costs and optimize time. With the help of these machines, farmers can harvest tons of sugar beets every day. If you find this content interesting, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel to follow interesting machine operations. This is the cherry sand dredger used for cleaning and dredging the riverbed. Cleanup of riverbeds is important to maintain smooth water flow and efficient waterways. Its remarkable excavating and conveying capacity effectively removes debris and sediment from the riverbed. In short, the MV cherry sand is one of the essential tools in the field of riverbed dredging, contributing to maintaining the smoothness of the waterway and transportation system. The KCX 490D is a large and powerful excavator, with a diesel engine delivering 362 GP. With an operating weight of 49 tons, it is suitable for many different jobs such as demolition and mining. The vehicle is also equipped with advanced hydraulic system and smart features such as automatic control, performance monitoring, built-in GPS. This is a Rayco RG80 machine specially designed for root grinding, or in other words, root removal. Rayco RG80 is a high-performance machine that effectively sharpens stumps. It uses sharp sharpening blades to effectively cut and destroy stumps. The Rayco RG80 stump grinder can remove oak stumps up to 36 inches in diameter in just 10 minutes. This cultivator from Denisimaf.com is a modern and convenient tiller for diggers. The machine is engineered with high-quality advanced technology and is specifically designed for work operations in forestry, ground clearance, roadside, and forest fire prevention. The Denisimaf.com tiller offers reliable and excellent performance in soil handling and forestry environments. In a state in the southwestern United States, a small area lacks land and fields for agricultural cultivation. Farmers in this area made extensive use of tractors and other equipment to expand their territory for farming purposes. Large tractors and heavy machinery have initiated a new agricultural revolution. Did you know that on this earth there are many types of vehicles for those who like to take risks and overcome challenges? This is a model dedicated to off-roading and gives the driver an interesting experience. Do you know what the model I'm talking about is called? Let me know in the comments if you are American. UOT 3000Y4S is a product line that is considered very useful in afforestation and reforestation. With a powerful motor combined with a hydraulic system that increases the power of the two plowshares, it can dig and destroy all obstacles when this machine goes through. The Fendt 939 Vario is a powerful and versatile agricultural vehicle that forms the perfect structure for precise and efficient mud spreading when combined with the Samson PG2 mud spreader. With a working width of 36 meters, the machine can operate and take care of grass on a large area. This AD slurry process helps to provide nutrients and fertilizers to the soil, enhancing the growth and development of plants. The Claas Lexion 770, one of the largest and most efficient combiners on the agricultural market today, is still working to increase productivity even after sunset in Juti Geralt. The dim light of the floodlights illuminate the field and the machine can be heard. With the Claas Lexion 770, the machine can work without fatigue, equipped with an advanced blade that reduces the risk of wheat harvesting. Transplanting or moving trees is an important process in the preservation and conservation of trees, especially when they have to be moved from one location to another. Moving large trees with a tree shovel is usually done by professionals in landscaping, park, or tree care companies. This process requires a high level of engineering and knowledge of bonsai, including ensuring the tree's stability, protecting the roots, and accurately repositioning the tree. Peanuts in the United States are commonly grown in large quantities to supply peanut oil factories. Harvesting peanuts is quick thanks to the capabilities of specialized harvesters designed to minimize risks during the harvesting process. With a unique design, these machines have a filtration system that allows them to remove soil during transport onto a storage truck. This is a bulldozer show in the north of the U.S. You can see here some of the most influential bulldozers coming into service. The beginning of this video will be a scene of a worker using a hacksaw at a height of 130 feet above the ground. With his tools, he is chopping down this tree from the top. Next, let's follow this man from India. They created a kit that makes climbing trees easier. Then the chainsaw was pulled up by the rope and he began to cut down a coconut tree up to 30 meters high. An extremely dangerous job, but he got it done in the end. Another coconut tree that needs to be cut down. Let's be silent and see how they work. Do you feel dizzy looking down from above? Because there are many houses below, cutting trees from the bottom can cause great damage. So these workers did not mind the danger of approaching the top of this eucalyptus tree and began pruning each branch. It is also very dangerous to leave an old tree next to the house if the weather is thunderous. It's hard to believe that this ancient tree is up to 14 feet in diameter. It has died from the top, the branches have dried up, and now must be harvested to avoid potential forest fires. These workers are hired and they have to work continuously for 2 days to take down this great tree. Using a chainsaw is not as easy as it seems. Large trees need to be cut precisely so that they can fall in the right direction. Therefore, it is necessary to have experienced people to do this. A dangerous job like this, workers always need to be protected in the safest way. Helmets, safety belts, when everything is certain is when the workers start working. What are you waiting for without giving them a like and a share? If you're wondering why this man didn't cut a straight line from side to side, but cut a diagonal line, let's follow along. He is opening a big mouth on the right, and this is also the direction the tree will fall. Continue cutting from the left side, then close the wedge to create thrust in the opposite direction. It looks small, but the thrust of this machine is extremely strong. It was chopping raw logs into small pieces quickly. Before changing the atmosphere, don't forget to give Far Outlook a channel subscription so that we have the motivation to create content. Now let's come to the woodworking process of a plywood factory. Under human control, each original log has been peeled and veneered. Perhaps this will be a video showing the importance of technology in logging. If in the previous videos the workers needed experience, certainty, and hard work to be able to knock down a tree. As for this machine, it has clamped the tree trunk and below the saw blade will work. Very simply, the top of the tree is brought into the ground very easily. Please take a few seconds to press the subscribe button so that Far Outlook has the motivation to produce videos. A tree stump was cut down a few months ago, no longer alive, and people used a stump planer to clean it up. From the intact stumps that have gradually disappeared, only humus wood remains. Not only big machines in any terrain, engineers also research suitable products. With a small on-site workspace like this, small machines will be more convenient and flexible. Get ready to take a look at the internal structure of the mighty manure spreader. It's got a push-pull mechanism combined with a rotary motor that'll have you hollering yee-haw. It's perfect for pushing that stool out of the way and making room for some serious vine growth. And let me tell you, these vines are going to need all the nutrients they can get because they're in a period of vigorous growth. But don't you worry, we got just the thing to help them out. Organic fertilizer, baby. With that, we're going to be producing the highest quality and safest products around. Ain't that just something to get excited about? And hold on tight, folks, because we're just getting started. Up next is a hay destroyer and spreader that'll blow your mind. It takes those bales and turns them into a long line of yummy hay for them cows to feast on. And let me tell you, the smell of fresh hay is sure to get those hungry bellies rumbling. Y'all, I am so excited to show you this first piece of machinery. This sprayer is an absolute game changer for all you farmers out there. It's perfect for those early growing vines, and let me tell you, it's not just simple, it's extremely effective too. With this baby, you can save time and reduce labor. It's versatile and oh so useful. Now feast your eyes on this hoe that's gently loosening the soil between rows of tender carrots while simultaneously getting rid of pesky weeds. It's an incredible piece of machinery that preps the soil for the next fertilization process, ensuring the carrots grow big and strong. And if you're as impressed by this machine as we are, show your appreciation by smashing that like button for Far Outlook. Y'all gotta see this, a whole sea of blueberries floating in water. It's the most incredible way to harvest them, especially up in chilly places like Canada. No need to worry about bruising or damaging the fruit when you can just scoop them up like this. And let's talk about hand harvesting. Could you even imagine picking a whole lake's worth of blueberries all by yourself? That would be an absolute nightmare. Good thing we've got amazing machines like these to help us out. A brilliant red lake of ripe blueberries, harvesting it entirely by hand would be a nightmare. Y'all see them hay bales over yonder? They's all similar in mass and size because they's packed by the same machine. And after that, freight cars like this one were born, so they can haul them hay bales to storage and serve as animal feed. Ain't that just the coolest thing you ever did see? Kuhn's GA15131 gyroscope is an absolute machine. With its high capacity and flexibility, it ensures impeccable work quality every time. Its impressive working width of 9.50 to 14.70 meters makes it the perfect choice for any farm looking to improve their harvesting efficiency. You can always count on Kuhn's gyroscope to get the job done right. Can be assembled and resized flexibly. This lawnmower is really a great choice for farmers. And check out its amazing sprayer. It's got a powerful motor and a large capacity tank that can spray water out as a fine mist with such force that it reaches every nook and cranny of them stems and leaves. And that's not all. It also helps their medicines get to where they need to go, making sure that them plants are healthy and growing strong. Ain't that just the bee's knees? This farmer is working hard during the vegetable harvest season. Check out this amazing machine that's cutting off the roots and tubers from this type of cabbage that only uses leaves. Y'all seen this vegetable before? I tell you, we ain't got no machines that can handle this one just yet. Gotta rely on good old-fashioned elbow grease to get the harvest done, but once we've got 'em picked, it's all hands on deck with this massive contraption. They'll separate those sprouts faster than a hound dog chasing a rabbit. And let me tell you about this here tractor. It's rolling over that dirt like it ain't nothing, making those big old crumbs for planting. And check out this hay tiller, y'all. It's a beast. can extend that arm up to 15 meters and distribute that forage like nobody's business. And we don't just bale that grass willy-nilly, no sir. Gotta pound it real good to get it just right. This here double butterfly knife is a real game changer, I tell you what. It cuts through things like a hot knife through butter and uses a whole lot less energy in the process. Plus, it's eco-friendly and helps protect our critters and grasslands. Can I get a yeehaw? Now I know what you might be thinking. This contraption looks like something out of a horror movie. But don't let its appearance fool you. The fella who created it is just a lover of all things big and mighty. Ain't nothing scary about that. Alfalfa is a healthy plant. It has effects such as lowering cholesterol, preventing diabetes, reducing menopause symptoms, antioxidation. Join us and become a part of the heavy machinery technology revolution. You will see the industry's development and progress, and feel the impact and significance of these machines for us all. Subscribe to our channel now and become a pioneer in advancing and developing heavy machinery. Welcome to Far Outlook, where we explore the power of giant iron blocks. Around the world, giant machines are working tirelessly, demonstrating progress in construction and industry. Seeing them in massive constructions, one cannot help but be surprised at the power and efficiency they bring. Join us as we explore the most powerful machines in the world. This is specialized equipment for cutting rails. If cleaning or dismantling old tracks took a lot of time and labor, now we have the help of the Kolmar RP2000 railway tractor. Look at how this machine works. The cutting force of this device is respectable. Kolmar RP2000 is equipped with a powerful diesel engine with up to 2,000 horsepower capacity. It can cut anything. Do you know the use of this machine yet? With a length of up to 151 meters and a weight of up to 23600 tons, this is considered the world's most significant river dredging machine today. The presence of this machine is of great importance in the construction industry, especially in the dredging of large rivers and hydroelectric dams, which improves water regulation and enhances water resistance. Overwhelm. It has become one of the virtual machines for improving countries' quality of life and economic development worldwide. The troubles that snow and ice bring are terrible. It was challenging to navigate in the meter-thick snow. On the road covered with white snow, The Volvo L90 snow removal machine is clearing thick layers of snow on the road. The Saltvik Plow AH300 has a working width of up to 3 meters, allowing for extensive snow collection and quick street handling. If you find this helpful video, remember to share it with your friends and click subscribe to keep up with our new videos. It's also snow removal, but this machine is noisy. As you can see, it works at quite a high speed. This machine is like a naughty child playing in the snow. This is one of the best snow road making machines today, widely used by street management units, airports, and resorts. It has proven efficient and reliable, helping ensure safety and convenience for road users in the most challenging times. This is Marazzi's water pump. The giant pump stood in the middle of the field with a solid and majestic appearance. The large hose mounted on the giant pump can be adjusted to ensure the water is evenly distributed over the ground. The large impellers on the pump help speed up the water flow and deliver water to every corner of the field. If you are a farmer, do you want to own a machine full of advantages like this? Let's go back to the giant machines. Have you heard about the reputation of the Effer 2655 hydraulic crane? This device is one of the highly regarded products of Effer SPA, designed to meet the lifting needs of construction sites. 4 fixed posts help the hydraulic crane stand firm when lifting tons of materials. This machine can lift goods to 25 meters. This is one of the great inventions. If dinosaurs were alive, how scary do you think they would be? This machine reminds me of those dangerous monsters. With its large mouth, it can crush machinery engines into small pieces. The EBC heavy-duty shredder is one of the most highly rated scrap shredders for its power, precision, and efficiency. With its heavy weight and powerful motor, the EBC shredder can shred complex materials such as steel, iron, concrete, and stone quickly and efficiently. Continue with the hemp harvester. A blue machine is now toiling in the vast fields of hemp, harvesting thousands of plants within a few hours a day. With its special design, it can cut off the unnecessary leaves of the plant and store the best hemp seed pods for hemp oil production. This scene is amazing as the blue machine moves between the trees, making a soft but lively noise. This amazing machine makes harvesting simpler and faster than ever. It has brought joy and hope to the farmers. This is another interesting machine. If you like, you can control it yourself, or else you can let it run on its own. This is really a smart machine. It can recognize people and avoid collisions. Wheels are designed with special treads to help the machine move easily on mountainous and treacherous terrains. With the self-drive system, Koppel brings autonomy to a single bridge vehicle. This machine is truly one of the best in the world. Well, the process of harvesting roses in the US of A starts with determining when the right time to go a-harvesting is, usually in the morning or afternoon when the rose plant ain't exposed to powerful sunlight. Then the harvester will use them specialized flower cutters to evenly cut each and every rose, cutting at the stem to avoid any damages to the flower. Once the roses have been harvested, they'll be sorted into baskets or crates padded with cotton and leaves to avoid any dangling damage to them roses during transportation. The transportation of them roses from the place of harvest to the point of sale or processing is done in the shortest time possible to keep them roses fresh and beautiful. Well, right in front of you is an amazing piece of world agriculture technology, an apple harvesting robot with some mighty smart and accurate AI. It's got these prosthetic arms programmed to look just like human hands, so them apples can be harvested precise-like and not be crushed. Ain't a sight to behold. Well, this here machine is designed to harvest apples quick and efficient like, saving labor and providing economic benefits to them apple producers. With the use of that conveyor belt below to catch them apples, I'm guessing if them apples will be crushed when falling. The spinning tops seem to be doing their job, but I give this machine a lower score than the previous one. In front of you is a wonderful sight. Farmers using modern machines to harvest lettuce together. That's the reward for a season of painstaking planting and care. The process is done with a strict attention to detail, from seed selection to fertilization. To make sure the lettuce is lined up just right for the harvester, they even use a supporting machine when they're planting. It's a hard-earned harvest, but the results speak for themselves. Those lettuces look mighty fine. Well, before I tell you why folks harvest and crush corn like this, make sure you give the engine a like and subscribe to the channel. Much obliged. Now when it comes to these two powerful machines, the American farmer be driving a harvester to crush up that young corn plants that ain't yet produced corn. The reaper blades look right scary, almost like it's devouring the poor corn plants and giving off crumbs. Then them cornflakes are brought to them livestock farms to be used as food for cows, sheep, goats, horses, you name it. I sure didn't know till now that pumpkin seeds are made like this. Pumpkin seeds are a type of seed widely used in cooking and medicine. Pumpkin seeds got an oval shape, smooth surface, and milky white color. They got a unique taste and provide a heap of nutrients to the body. Pumpkin seeds got fiber, protein, vitamin E, iron, magnesium, zinc, and other antioxidants. Studies also showed that pumpkin seeds can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, stabilize blood sugar, give a boost to the immune system, and reduce inflammation. Pumpkin seeds be used to make a bunch of dishes and are oft used as an ingredient in the making of bread, cookies, and beverages. When it comes to harvesting banana peppers, farmers have got a choice to make. If they're looking to sell them or process them, they'll be waiting until the peppers are ripe, with a yellow, orange, or red hue and a sweet, rich flavor. But if they're looking to use them for seeding, they'll be harvesting them when they're still green to make sure they stay fresh and intact. Tools like knives and scissors are used to cut the peppers off the plant, and they're then placed in baskets and brought to the greenhouse to be stored or sold. So if you need some peppers, make sure you get the right ones. When it comes to harvesting Pisca tangerines, you won't find them much better than in the Southern California region. These little round orange-yellow fruits have a sour, sweet, and aromatic taste and are used in lots of dishes and drinks. Harvesting these tangy tangerines usually occurs between November and January of the following year, but they can last until March, when they're ripe and orange-yellow, but still retain their flavor and crunch. Farmers use their trusty scissors and knives to cut the mandarin off the tree, and then they're placed in crates or baskets and brought back to be processed or sold. So if you need some Pisca tangerines, you know where to go. Giddy up, partner! Next, Far Outlook will take you to the process of harvesting green grapes. With this way of harvesting with a mighty shaker, them grapes surely don't have to be used for immediate food. This is how grapes be harvested for making syrups and wines. Yeehaw! You sure will get a chuckle when you see this peculiar way of harvesting strawberries. The men be literally lying on their machines, picking each ripe strawberry by hand. Partner, it sure is a shocker to behold a fine pumpkin field such as this. The farmers be manipulating their machines to gather the pumpkins for harvesting day. Yeehaw! Listen up, folks, because we're about to talk about one of the most advanced plows on the market, the Kverneland 6300. This baby's got an intuitive control system that'll have you plowing through fields like a hot knife through butter. And if you're worried about those pesky soil impacts, fear not, because the overload protection system's got your back. This plow's so tough, it could plow through a mountain of mashed potatoes without breaking a sweat. So if you're in the market for a new plow, the Kverneland 6300's the one for you. Folks, meet the Milo harvester, the fastest way to bring in that harvest and get your crops to market. With this bad boy, you can harvest large fields quicker than a jackrabbit on a hot day, and transport that Milo to the warehouse faster than a rattlesnake in a hot pursuit. That means reduced transportation time and costs, and high-quality products from farm to consumer. So if you're ready to up your harvest game, hop on board with the Milo Harvester. Folks, meet the Pottinger lawnmower assembled into a tractor, the must-have equipment for farmers today. With the ability to cut grass evenly and efficiently, this baby's the key to making the breeding process easier than eating a slice of apple pie. Plus, it produces some mighty fine forage that'll help you save some serious scratch. So, if you're looking for a machine that'll keep your grass looking sharp and your animals fed and happy, saddle up with the Pottinger mower today. Far Outlook's got a real treat for y'all today. Check out this amazing grass baler assembled into the distortion machine's rear that'll have you baling hay like a pro in no time. Once the grass is gathered up to the specified level, the bale wrapping unit kicks into high gear, wrapping it up in plastic to preserve it for your animals. Saddle up with this grass baler today and keep your livestock happy and healthy all year round. The hay baler is the go-to machine for farmers when it comes to producing and storing hay. With its incredible ability to pack hay into strong and sturdy bundles, this machine makes it a breeze to transport and store your hay. If you're looking to create some precise grooves in your soil and get your crops growing like wildfire, then the bed machine is just the ticket. This specialized device comes in a variety of sizes from 48 to 84 feet and can reach operating speeds of 8 to 10 miles per hour, making it perfect for all kinds of growing areas. And get this, with its 20 inches tiller blade, 5/8 inches by 30 inch carbide tip harrow, and 14-inch flat bar roller basket, you can create the most beautiful and precise grooves you've ever seen. Plus, with hydraulic adjustments, you can make sure your furrowing is easier and more precise than ever. So if you're ready to take your crop game to the next level, get yourself a bed machine and start grooving today. Howdy folks! If you're enjoying this video on modern age equipment, hit that subscribe button to support Far Outlook channel. Watch the hay baler and lifting machine in action. They work together like a match made in heaven with no competing for work. The hay baler packs hay into strong bundles while the lifting machine quickly transports them. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content from Far Outlook channel. Y'all want to hear about the Klaus Zarian 4000 fertilizer machine? Well, let me tell you, this here piece of machinery is as modern and efficient as a cowboy riding a Segway. And let me tell you, with that gooseneck feeder, fertilizing is easier than shooting fish in a barrel. This machine is so accurate, you'll be hitting the target like a sharpshooter at a carnival game. And when it comes to productivity, this fertilizer machine is like a swarm of locusts on a cornfield, constantly being fed by them tank trucks. So if you're looking for top-notch fertilizing, you don't want to miss out on the Klaus Zarian 4000. Yeehaw! With planting season just around the corner, farmers can now sit back and enjoy the ride with the John Deere 8320 RT tractor and Deere DB60 planter. This duo is sure to get the job done right with 36-row planting capability and the power to handle even the toughest terrain. No more back-breaking work for our farmers, y'all. A farmer's work is never done. But with the Deere XUV 865M Gator and its Sprint 360 Yield Center Sprint system, they can fertilize their crops on the fly. This handy-dandy system allows for precise and efficient fertilization while on the move, ensuring that every plant gets the nourishment it needs to grow big and strong. With the powerful John Deere 8320 RT tractor and Deere DB60 planter, along with the XUV 865M Gator, provide farmers with a quick and efficient way to plant maize, showcasing the benefits of modern agricultural technology. The plow ain't no ordinary tool. It's got 9 rows ready to tear up that dirt and make it fit for planting trees. And while the tractors and plows work their magic, them black crows are circling around like they're expecting a feast. But fear not, because with this process of tree planting, the farmers are about to give those crows a run for their money. Let's admire the Quadtrac 540 CVX, the pinnacle of agricultural machinery technology. Equipped with a Cursor 13 engine with a capacity of 613 horsepower and a capacity of 12.9 liters. Ability to move steplessly from 0 to 40 kilometers per h, providing flexibility in field tasks. The CVX drive transmission has 4 mechanical levels to optimize performance and operator comfort. The 2-stage turbocharger is rev synchronized, providing response at low RPM and high RPM acceleration. Individual cooling for each turbocharger ensures 30% quicker response, while maximum torque of 2,607 nanometers delivers innovation in agricultural machinery sector. Fendt 933 combines sophistication with Lemken 12 furrow, creating a strong partner in the agricultural industry. 330 horsepower engine and optimal energy efficiency. Twin wheels, increased load capacity and stable on field terrain. Combined with Lemken 12 furrow, this system becomes an effective tool for plowing with diverse soil processing capabilities. The structure operates smoothly and efficiently, improving productivity. Productivity in the farming process, bringing success to farmers. Goma GG25 is an effective and convenient solution in agriculture with a capacity of up to 250 horsepower. The tank has a capacity of 2,000 liters, helping farmers spray pesticides and fertilizers quickly. Electronic control system at the pneumatic pump center provides flexibility and high performance during use. Operating width of 15 meters, ensuring wide coverage while maintaining quality. Folding ability is convenient for portability and improve efficiency in modern field care. Ropa Mouse 6 brings outstanding innovation in the field of harvesting and processing. With a capacity of up to 250 horsepower, it represents perfection in the concept of power and efficiency. Collection System 10.2M, Mouse 6 brings farmers into the 4.0 era with an appearance design that represents digitalization. The light blue line is the internal and external network connection with online portal Myropa and R-Connect. Panoramic cabin with height 510m, providing comfortable space and excellent display. Pickup system with 18 cleaning rollers adjustable from the cab. Automatic adjustment, optimal transmission combining power high and low fuel consumption, making it stable and balanced under all operating conditions. Cayman CF, the professional tiller, offers impressive performance in stubble handling. Working width of 4m and transport width of 2.8m, it is the ideal choice for tractors from 200-270 GP. Designed to work at a depth of 25 to 30 centimeters, 3-row plow arrangement and 30 centimeters length combined with ground clearance brings high efficiency, ensuring flexibility on many different soil conditions. With outstanding design and performance, the 72 SM Fab Lister is an excellent product of agricultural engineering. Width of 72 inches ensures strong working ability and optimized working time. Structure made from high-quality materials, increasing durability and stability in all soil conditions. Specially designed plow blade, allowing tilling at great depth and mixing soil effectively. Advanced control system helps farmers flexibly adjust the plowing angle depending on the type of soil. Combining the power of the engine with the precision of the control system, creating a reliable professional tool in preparing land for sowing season. Fendt 209F and Raynox is a modern manure spreader with a flexible design. 71 kilowatts engine helps it overcome difficult agricultural tasks. Model includes 200 variations, meeting the diverse needs of farmers. Tires: rear size 340/85 R28 and front tire 280/80 R18, ensuring stable operation. Compact size with length 3,708 m, width 1,372 m, and height 2,462, easy to move in narrow areas. Speed of 40 km per h with STFL transmission and WDW controller provides optimal flexibility. Weight 2.94 tons. Maximum torque 389 1,600ths. Nanometers at 1,800 revolutions per minute helps it overcomes all challenges easily and is a complete solution for farmers. A cutting-edge innovation in technology, Ropa Gecko has brought a comprehensive solution to farmers. The space design can hold up to 5 pallets of materials. The 4-row planter holds up to 4 pallets and provides extra space to preserve empty boxes. box conveyor has a box return function to make loading and unloading easy and convenient. Speed of 3.5 kilometers per h and ability to adjust planting distance from 20 to 50 centimeters brings effective high yield, helping farmers have large yields in a short time. Pottinger Toro 6510, a versatile wagon that can turn 60 degrees depending on the tractor and tires. 2T, 3T, or 4T load drawbar, integrated shock absorbers ensure stability in all-terrains FIG. The carriage has a hydraulic drive axle and an interlock for the rails, helping it to follow the tractor tracks precisely. Internal width of 2.30 m, smooth wall panels and load cells ensure the transporting roughage. Powered by 2,300 nanometers, this wagon increases output by up to 10%, making the working process convenient and providing optimal roughage protection. The Twin Master Combine, equipped with top features such as a cam-type cutting clutch, 2-speed drive to the threshing cylinder, and a large trash capacity of 18,500 pounds. Double vacuum system design, straw discharge port, twin and twin central flow dam cylinders deliver high performance. Touchscreen and ag cam monitoring system in the cab help optimize work processes. Sicko Duplex 850F is equipped with Weiste triangle mount and CAT 2 3-point mount. All machine parts are powder-coated or galvanized, providing durability and corrosion resistance. Uses Bidux cutting mechanism with Carbidux blades help cut grass effectively. The cutting bar is raised using 2 bars per hydraulic cylinder, with height adjustment from 4 to 20 centimeters. In addition, the lawn mower has an oil supply separately independent. Driven through the 1,000 revolutions per minute front axle ensures powerful and efficient operation. MRG2 900 is a professional belt scraper with the original design of a cam picker, capable of picking up any type of material unlimited length. The combination of cam picker and conveyor technology allows the roller to adapt to the next machines in the harvesting chain. Transparent control panel with 7-inch screen and large rotation range +/90 degree makes machine control easy. With each growing season, advances in agricultural machinery and tools continue to bring significant improvements to farmers. We appreciate technology for providing powerful tools that help care for our farmers. Land wisely. Please support our videos by liking, sharing, and subscribing to continue accompanying on the agricultural journey. Thank you for watching the video. Well, the process of harvest in roses in the US of A starts with determining when the right time to go a-harvesting is, usually in the morning or afternoon when the rose plant ain't exposed to powerful sunlight. Then the harvester will use them specialized flower cutters to evenly cut each and every rose, cutting at the stem to avoid any damages to the flower. Once the roses have been harvested, they'll be sorted into baskets or crates padded with cotton and leaves to avoid any dangling damage to them roses during transportation. The transportation of them roses from the place of harvest to the point of sale or processing is done in the shortest time possible to keep them roses fresh and beautiful. Well, right in front of you is an amazing piece of world agriculture technology, an apple harvesting robot with some mighty smart and accurate AI. It's got these prosthetic arms programmed to look just like human hands, so them apples can be harvested precise-like and not be crushed. Ain't a sight to behold. Well, this here machine is designed to harvest apples quick and efficient-like, saving labor and providing economic benefits to them apple producers. With the use of that conveyor belt below to catch them apples, I'm guessing if them apples will be crushed when falling. The spinning tops seem to be doing their job, but I give this machine a lower score than the previous one. So we have taken a look at the impressive heavy machines on the Far Outlook channel. These devices not only can complete strenuous work quickly and effectively, but are also a remarkable technical achievement for mankind. Please continue to follow Far Outlook to stay updated with the latest information on leading industrial machinery and the latest technologies in the field of engineering. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you love power and are passionate about mechanical technology, this is a video you cannot miss. In this video, Far Outlook will introduce you to powerful and versatile machines for tree stump removal. Don't miss the opportunity to explore the impressive technology and power of these devices. Do not rush to judge this small machine, because you will immediately regret it. If you are a persistent person, you will like it. Although it is not a destroyer, it will use its saw blade to slowly and cleanly erode the stump. Eventually, you will no longer see any traces of the stump. The mouth of this machine looks like the beak of a hunting eagle. Each clip is a small piece of wood that is separated from the base of the tree. Don't be in a hurry, do it slowly. Now watch this engineer test the machine he researched and created. It seems to be quite similar to the machine from the moment you saw it before, but I find it a bit more massive. And it is controlled by an automatic system, not a mere manual. And this is the combination of 4 blades to form a machine of tremendous power. The stumps were easily pulled up by it. Its operator also did not forget to show off the machine's skillful tilling ability. Surely you are also wondering why you have to remove these big and deep underground trees, right? Although it is quite difficult, if you want to grow new trees, this is necessary. Big stumps need big stump breakers like this, maybe even bigger. With the same creative idea, machine building engineers will have different views when making different bird beaks. And at the same time, the technique of the excavator driver is also extremely important. The digging force of this machine can be up to 30,000 pounds, and we only see the operator using a hook that can easily pull the stump out of the ground. The soil clinging to the trees. Again, an excavator, but the structure is a bit modern. The clamp head can be rotated 360 degrees before placing the wood properly. See how people get firewood from big trees. With a coordinated movement, a long and round log was cut short and split into 4. Without the support of machines, these jobs would be extremely difficult. Its operating principle is the same as the previous machines, but its size is much larger. The blade part is 35 inches in diameter. Due to the large capacity of the machine, a protective shield is required in front to avoid wood chips that can be dangerous to the operator. This crane is quite powerful. It can disassemble the scoop, excavator, and demolition tool at the nose side, so its performance results are highly appreciated. Can you guess how long it takes it to knock down this tree? If you love this machine and want to control it, please click the button to subscribe to the channel. Share the video to spread it with the engine to everyone. No matter how deep the roots are, it can't be difficult for this machine. Iron Monster is the name you can give this machine. It's getting things done with ease under the experienced driver's control. A stump digger is a type of machine used to remove the stump of a tree easily and quickly. It is often used during garden cleaning, planting new plants, or removing dead or damaged plants. As versatile machines, these machines not only break tubers but also do a lot of other jobs. It can help with peat harvest, removing stumps from the ground, or even shredding them to pieces. This machine is king. Oh, I just realized this is the most different machine ever. By looking at it, you can guess how it works, right? These excavators are ideal for intensive vegetation control, ground clearance, roadside, power transmission lines, pipeline maintenance, forest fire prevention. Wood humus on the soil over time will rot and mix into the soil. It will become an extremely useful organic fertilizer. Introducing the cutting-edge equipment, the Scholle SLN30 HDG 4-grade machine with a width of 30 feet is a symbol of perfection and excellence in the field of leveling. Designed with prime leveling capabilities, accurate and highly effective, this product meets and exceeds SLN30 HDG4 to make the ground surface flat and smooth, creating a solid foundation for construction and agricultural projects. To operate this large equipment must be attached to tractors with a capacity of 1050 horsepower or more, ensuring stability and long-term performance. The impressive combination of Scholle SWD-12 plus RM8080 Rock Monster is an incredible, formidable partner with outstanding power and multitasking ability in handling rocks and cleaning soil surfaces. Rake, the SWD-12 front hydraulic not only captivates with the looks of its sturdy structure, but also has the ability to adjust, lift, and clear stones powerfully and quickly. This paves the way for its counterpart. The Machine Rockmaster RM8080 stone picker demonstrates its superior class. In particular, the RM8080 impresses with its ability to accurately collect and remove stones. This professional combination has helped the device exploit its full operational potential. The AccuMix Trademark 1000's TMR mixer is a uniquely designed machine that can feed and mix feed in the same unit. Built with a special design and advanced features, this machine not only meets but exceeds all farmers' expectations. Its versatility in handling a wide variety of feed ingredients from dry to wet helps optimize the nutritional value of the feed. In addition, high precision and automation help reduce errors and optimize the mixing process. The AccuMix Trademark 1000's TMR's impressive performance and time-saving capabilities increase productivity and help farmers focus more on animal care. The Munkhoff PlucoTrack harvester is an advanced harvesting technology specifically designed to fully meet the requirements of modern agriculture. Designed to harvest crops up to at 4 meters, this machine is a symbol of work flexibility. With 4-6 working positions, Munkhoff Plucko-Track optimizes working space, improves harvesting efficiency, and ensures accuracy. Maximum precision. In particular, when working on crops with row spacing between 2.50 and 4.50 meters, it offers considerable flexibility in harvesting. Furthermore, Munkhoff Plucko-Track delivers multitasking capabilities and high performance, contributing to increased productivity in diverse agricultural environments. The next machine I would like to introduce is the Skag Tiger Cat 2, a symbol of perfection in lawn cutting technology, combining a delicate balance between powerful performance and versatility. With its compact design and powerful motor, this machine is not only easy to maneuver in tight areas but also offers flexible adjustment and maximum durability. With great versatility for getting into, around, and out of tight spaces, the Skag Tiger Cat 2 is more than just a lawnmower. It's the key to unlocking pathways to increased profits and success in the landscape industry. Find this content interesting? Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so we can accompany you on your journey of machine discovery. The Massey Ferguson Ideal 9T Harvester is a miracle brought to the agricultural harvest. Unrivaled in size around the world, the Ideal 9T is a symbol of power and a miracle in the harvesting process. Features. The Ideal 9T's most impressive feature is its unlimited operating capabilities and performance. Its exceptional versatility, from adjusting harvest speed to cutting depth, makes it a sophisticated, adaptable partner. Flexible response to soil and weather conditions. The machine's comfortable cabin provides operator comfort and is equipped with intelligent systems, optimizing every aspect of the job. The power of the Ideal 9T goes beyond lies in its large size, but also in the magic and innovation in every engine that operates. Introducing the remarkable 58SX 450 PLT, a versatile and efficient tiller designed to handle sandy and hard-packed soils. Trailer-mounted and combined with a case tractor, the 58SX 450 PLT offers power and versatility for soil preparation before planting and after harvest. Nexat, a symbol of innovation and efficiency in agriculture, offers a unique harvesting system. With powerful tractors with a capacity of up to 1,100 PS, known as wide-span transport vehicles, Nexat becomes the heart of its power. Its ability to simultaneously connect multiple tools for tilling, sowing, and harvesting demonstrates its versatility and multitasking capabilities. In the video, the harvesting process wheat in Saxony-Anhalt, Germany, becomes efficient with the 15.5 m wide TrueFlex razor cutting unit, specially designed to overcome any challenging problem. A harmonious combination of advanced technology and capabilities. Powerful performance makes Nexat an inspiration for the sustainable development of the agricultural industry. The BPX 9010 processor is a specially designed machine with specialized capabilities in the processing of raw materials and flooring materials. Its structure is optimized to evenly distribute crops across each row, both along and across the pasture. In particular, the machine can spread primer on many different plots of land and fields, increasing flexibility. This contributes to improving the quality and efficiency of the grass treatment process. Operating efficiently thanks to advanced technology integrated in a perfect structure, Multi-Clean is an excellent machine that removes shoots and eradicates weeds without affecting soil structure. The machine is equipped with sensors to detect buds and weeds. The filtering and cleaning system helps the machine operate stably and save energy. Next is the uniquely designed Trail Boss 2022 Snow Stroller with outstanding performance. A powerful motor is used to easily push and move thick layers of snow. High-quality, wear-resistant plow blades enhance performance and ensure long-term durability. The electronic steering system allows easy adjustment and control of the machine. With a sturdy frame capable of withstanding great force, this is an effective tool to serve the community. The perfect choice in modern agriculture is the Tanco 1320 round bale wrap and stack packaging machine. This is the latest model in the 1300 series of packing machines. Unique patented double folding arm design makes packing and stacking quick. The compact frame structure and small roller arms enable fast film loading, achieving productivity equivalent to high-speed winding machines. At the end of the winding cycle, the folding arm brings the two film distributors together, allowing the film to be cut and held from two rolls using a single cutting and actuating unit. The new twin tower maintains a compact structure, and the dual arm design ensures high efficiency. The benefits of wrapping and stacking capabilities make the 1320 an ideal machine for contractors. With outstanding improvements, the Claas Zarian 4000 Dun Agro 2020 canola harvester fully meets the needs of modern agriculture. As it moves through the field, a GPS navigation system and automated sensors determine the plant's location. The engine is activated, the harvesting blade is deployed quickly and efficiently. The automatic cleaning system maintains maximum machine performance. The tree is then processed and packaged automatically, creating a clean and high-quality product. Its robust and flexible design makes it an indispensable tool in agriculture. Designed with key features in mind, the EQUS 175N tractor has achieved a rugged and versatile appearance. Equipped with hydrostatic technology with a fully controlled cooling system, the machine not only delivers high performance in agriculture but can also travel at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour and a distance of more than 100 kilometers. With the lowest center of gravity in its class, it facilitates easy maneuvering over the most difficult terrain. The Hunklinger HW20 Mini Mobile Excavator with Flastergreif P123 is advanced equipment for installing 60/30 pavement blocks. When operating, the machine moves to the required position. Flastergreif P123 is activated quickly and accurately to install the block. The control system helps the machine flexibly adapt to the terrain and environment. The powerful motor ensures high performance in all situations. This makes the Hunklinger HW20 Mini Mobile Excavator an indispensable tool in urban construction and installation. The professional combination of Zwiebelkrautschlager VT and Schwadlager WF has created the Grimy Onion Harvester. The Zwiebelkrautschlager VT is designed to precisely prune onion foliage at the correct height, creating an even cutting and trimming process. Schwadlager WF is next responsible for picking onions and removing soil and impurities from the products of both machines. This ensures efficiency and quality of harvest, saving effort during onion processing. The leading practice in the agricultural sector is the John Deere 9860 STS harvester, distinguished by its outstanding performance, convenience, and high cleaning ability. The machine's sturdy construction, along with quality components, creates a powerful and durable propulsion system. Its advanced cutting capabilities make it easily adaptable to different field terrains. At the same time, the optimal design for cleaning and separating corn from weeds helps reduce losses and increase productivity. This machine is not only a harvesting tool but also a symbol of modernity. The ALP-04 Surin grass baling and stacking machine stands out with its powerful engine and innovative design, optimizing the grass baling and stacking process. When attached to the back of the baler, it seamlessly arranges 8 square bales into clusters, simplifying distribution across the field. The included loader facilitates moving these bale assemblies to any desired location. With strong capabilities in pesticide spraying operations, Delvano Eurotrac 7000 ensures uniform pesticide spray coverage and high efficiency during the pesticide spraying process. Designed with a sturdy frame, integrated advanced liquid tank, optimizing space and weight. The unique structure of the spray elements provides precise spray distribution, minimizing waste. The control system automatically adjusts the volume of the substance to reduce waste. With its versatility, it is considered a trusted companion of farmers in their agricultural endeavors. Operating intelligently and efficiently, the SP220 automatic bean harvester brings high efficiency during the harvesting process. First, the integrated sensor and camera system will scan the surrounding environment, determining the location of the plant. The processing unit then analyzes the data and controls the flexible harvesting arms to harvest the peas efficiently. In particular, the machine is equipped with automation technology, reducing labor and enhancing continuous operation. This helps improve productivity and efficiency in harvesting beans. Inarosi, ERS20. Este Rubberflex is an outstanding harvester line with unique design features. Rubberflex finger rubber wheels provide a working width of up to 11.5 meters without the need for a cardan or gearbox. The machine adjusts and forms rows in one go, optimizing efficiency. Equipped with a fuel-efficient diesel engine, it consumes only 0.7 liters/ha. The machine is not only simple and reliable, but also minimizes the failure rate, greatly improving overall performance. The clunder weeder is considered a powerful ally in orchard management. With a unique design, it uses 30 wheels to effectively remove unwanted plants and grass. Smart rubber fingers guide weeds into the space between the wheels, where they are crushed and removed without affecting the crop. This process takes place automatically, significantly reducing labor and improving productivity. Finally, the powerful PowerChain 800 is manufactured in Denmark for the Australian market. The 8M chain drive design complements the Butte disc system. Support wheels mounted on each frame side ensure smooth operation of the chain on the ground, achieving a consistent finish. The hydraulic chain tensioning structure facilitates easy adjustment during movement, ensuring depth and finish. The PowerChain 800 is a unique machine in the soil cultivation process. The stump grinder uses a working plate that cuts horizontally across the stump and swirls it from the inside, helping to completely remove the stump. It is often used in garden cleaning operations or planting new trees. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Far Outlook will always accompany you and strive to bring you the most interesting videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye. When a building is no longer in use or possibly under new construction, the excavators have another use for demolition. The house that looked brand new was being demolished quickly. The material that makes up this house is not brick or concrete, so demolition is quite easy. A great combination of traction and the weight of an iron ball. The iron ball is suspended on a cable connected to the crane head, another human-controlled rope on the ground. Each collision is the only way the concrete blocks are broken. It may seem a bit hard to believe, but this man is destroying the chimney with his hands and a small chisel. He will chisel each wall and then use a wooden tree to support it. When the area of destruction is large enough, he will burn those trees. And have you guessed the result? I find it quite dangerous. The hydraulic rod reached up to 30 meters high and rammed hard, breaking each wall. With a machine with such tremendous power, nothing was difficult. When it comes to construction, a concrete mixer is indispensable. This is a machine with a small capacity and easy to move that is very suitable for small projects. Next, Far Outlook will continue to introduce to you a concrete mixer with a completely different design than before. Still a coil engine but horizontal, the bucket can be flexible to refuel. You can get a close look at how this machine works, scoops and mixes. Putting cement in the barrel still requires human strength, but after that, the job was much simpler. Please continue to watch and enjoy. Now let's come to the amazing machines that are working hard to help people build railroad tracks. Along with the strong development of mankind, today trains are almost no longer used to transport passengers. Instead, it is used to transport goods and materials in large volumes, such as coal and stone. Railway maintenance like this makes the operation smoother, reducing the risk of potential accidents. Far Outlook has been fascinated by this machine. Why not give it a like? A giant machine, but works perfectly. Each layer of stone is laid on the old track. The concrete bars used to fix the rails have been replaced. The front engine assembly will dismantle the old material. The rear engine control unit will take care of the new one. Deutsche Bahn is the name of this amazing machine. Before the deterioration of the tracks after many years of rubbing with train wheels, they were seriously degraded. And this machine is like an effective assistant to support the workers' labor. Since repairs are only carried out over a short distance, it is not feasible to bring in heavy machinery. Temporarily away from the ground, now we come to the heavy machines that are working at a height of tens of meters. And in front of you is a complex of Chinese girder transport machines. Combined with wheels when traveling on the road and supports to bring the girder into the installation position. All I can say is that this is the most interesting machine I have ever seen. For short and small spans, this is a great solution. The smaller the accuracy, the higher the accuracy, requiring engineers to combine with machines skillfully. A ship weighing up to 1,100 tons is transporting bridge girders. It is necessary to move at a slow speed to avoid errors during transportation. 21 years ago, these machines were considered a great tool. But with the development of technology, more modern machines have been born, marking a turning point in harvesting nuts. Pumpkin seed harvesters are specialized agricultural equipment designed to harvest pumpkin seeds from ripe pumpkins efficiently. The pumpkins are passed through rollers and blades to separate the seeds from the flesh. Seeds are collected in bins or bags, while the meat is discarded or used for other purposes. The pumpkin seed harvester is a necessary tool for the commercial production of pumpkin seeds. They allow farmers to harvest large quantities of sources with minimal labor, reducing costs and making bringing pumpkin seed products to market more accessible. In addition, these machines also help to ensure that the seeds are not damaged during harvest, providing high-quality products to consumers. Let's see the sunflower seed harvesting process. Sunflowers are harvested using modern thresher machines. This machine is equipped with extremely sharp blades. They remind me of the teeth of the piranha fish. The giant monster swallowed all the trees in its path. After removing the seeds from the impurities, the qualified seeds will be loaded onto the storage medium by means of a large pipeline. Once I visited Mr. Bill's farm, I witnessed an impressive upheaval. That's when Mr. Bill took me to his mighty tree shaker. This machine shakes the branches without damaging the tree or the fruit. On a large farm in California, the chestnut harvester works quickly and efficiently. After being separated from the tree, chestnuts will be transported to a conveyor belt to remove poor quality leaves and seeds. Giant pistachio harvesters like these can harvest thousands to tons of pistachios per hour. The quality seeds will be stored in large boxes and transported to giant cargo trucks. This machine can pick up pistachios easily. Do you know the exact name of this device? And this is another kind of grain harvester. The Maya shaker olive harvesting process is a fully automated process that increases productivity and reduces labor in the production process. When the Maya machine works, it will be put into the olive field and gently shaken the tree so that the olives fall to a predetermined surface for collection. After the olives fall, they are put on a conveyor belt for cleaning. This is Expand R5090, a mechanical tarp that can speed up the harvesting process by 25%. It can work with Pelink Buggy 5000 shaker to harvest various fruits quickly. The Buggy 5000 shaker can harvest up to 1,200 trees per day and up to 99% of the olives per tree. How are peanuts harvested? At first, people will use tillers like this to pull up the trees. The huge cultivator, connected with a powerful motor and autopilot mode, helps the machine move flexibly on any terrain. Then, like the work of the seed separators, the peanuts will be crushed and the roots removed. With the help of these modern machines, how many kilograms of peanuts can a farmer harvest? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Next came another modern machine, the X16 seed harvester. In the large garden, the X16 nut harvester works quickly to harvest walnuts from the ground. This machine has unique parts to keep the walnuts from breaking or damaging during harvesting and screening. This ensures that only high-quality walnuts are harvested and placed on the market. The TurboVac nut harvester is a special equipment used to harvest the seeds of fruit trees such as almonds, coconuts, pistachios, and others. The TurboVac seed harvester has a simple mechanical design, with the central unit mounted on a motor vehicle or other mobile device. This machine can suck about 60 kilograms of seeds per hour. When taking the machine to the orchard, the user will turn on the vacuum cleaner and move the device to the ground. The vacuum will suck the seeds inside. This machine has a chamber that separates dirt lighter than particles. How long do you think it will take the farmer to finish harvesting the rice field without the help of machines? This machine is an excellent tool for the farmer. Instead of using labor for many different stages, separating seeds becomes too easy with just this one machine. In addition, the machine also helps farmers chop rice stalks. Although it has just been tested, this machine has shown us outstanding advantages over other harvesters. The Class Lexion 780 Giant Oat Harvester is one of the most modern agricultural harvesters on the market today. Equipped with advanced technology and outstanding power, this machine has made the farmer's job of harvesting bird's nest easier and faster than ever. With high productivity, the Class Lexion 780 can get the job done over a large area in a short time. This machine has contributed a lot to the agricultural industry. Right before your eyes is the image of the Expand R 5090 harvesting olives by expanding the canopy to catch them. Today, Far Outlook once again takes you on a journey to discover the world's most modern agricultural machinery. The second is a fully automatic robot on a pre-installed track. Robots are pruning leaves and branches day and night, helping tomato plants focus on nurturing fruit. And this is a multifunction radish slicer. It can shovel the tubers into the bucket and then chop the raw materials. The results will be taken to the dumping ground to be composted into organic fertilizer and animal feed. An efficient silage machine. It is one of the great research achievements of manufacturing engineers. The combination of lifter and bucket has created this feed transporter. The bottom of the two ends of the container is the feed nozzle, which helps bring the food close to the mouths of the dairy cows quickly. Watching the way this machine lifts the radish up the conveyor belt makes me feel like I'm in an elevator and going up a building hundreds of meters high. If you are a real farmer, then this will be a great tiller for you. A safe solution for use requires a height of 4 to 5 meters and has iron teeth like a comb. It's perfect for breaking up this huge pile of food. And here is a combined crusher wash. The tubers are wrapped in iron cages and taken to a giant water tank for cleaning. After that, they are also chopped to make animal feed. They named this guy Stego 200. This clip shows the Ropa Panther in extreme conditions on a slope. To sow beets in the spring, the field can only be plowed from top to bottom down to the valley, as no tractor can pull a radish seed drill uphill. It is impossible not to give praise to these 5 iron monsters. They are staggered to complete 600 acres of radishes. What are you waiting for without giving a like to these great machines? For the first time, the CP300 Challenge Blade plow was put into operation in the field. Great efficiency and productivity. The D8R is a rake built for ground cleaning. The underground plants won't have a chance to hide if this machine runs through. This machine is so excellent. With 16 blades, guess how long it will take to complete 400 acres? This guy makes me quite happy. A design that looks very cute, but its use is too great. It takes no effort at all. All you need to do is put the right packages into the storage cars. Combining many functions on one machine reduces the pressure of the machine on the arable land. Makes farming in the next crop easier. In the previous video, Far Outlook showed you some sugarcane mining machines. And today is such a machine again. It is called John Deere CH570 and was produced in 2016. The operating principle is quite similar to the olive mining machine, but this is an apple mining machine. Do you like to eat apples? The Big M500 has proven itself 1,000 times with its optimal weight distribution, more than 13 meters range, and low center of gravity for high driving stability. With only a fairly small hole, but it makes the wheel give up. The wheel can only spin inside the hole, but can't get out. The combination of tractors on the farm is extremely important. They not only combine to increase work productivity, but also help each other when there is a problem. Unable to move even a single hand. Let's see what this man will do to rescue his tractor. After all, teammates are still the best strength. First up, we're fixing to show y'all a mighty fine cleaning machine with a one-of-a-kind design. Ain't it something, looking like an octopus and all? Next, y'all are gonna see a simple yet ingenious invention. This fella used a tool behind his back, connecting the tree cutter with a rope in order to reduce the weight when lifting the machine over and over again. Ain't that a clever way to get her done? After days of meticulous care, these conifers were still looking a mite rough around the edges. Time for the pruning crew to get to work. With a height of 4 to 5 meters, this cowboy had to climb a ladder to reach the top of the tree. After a few simple steps, the conifer tree was looking neat and mighty fine. This here video has sure been attracting the attention of tens of millions on social media. A man's using his modern pruners to trim an enormous row of conifers. On the ground, he's using a comb-like cutter to cover a large area. But when he climbs the ladder, he switches to a longer machine to reach them hard-to-reach conifer branches. In no time at all, he transformed a wild and unruly fence of conifers into a neat and tidy masterpiece. Can't help but admire the wonderful work this man's done. Looks like we got ourselves a beginner here, folks. This fella's taken it upon himself to trim the tree right in front of his house, and he's doing it with nothing but a trusty old wood saw. Now that's what I call some good old-fashioned ingenuity, don't you all agree? The latest tree pruning machine is a real game changer, what with its geo-cutting tool and hydraulic controlling system. Now you don't have to lift the machine up no more because it's all just guided with the blade. A real time saver and a whole lot easier. Every morning, folks in these here parts hire a big old mower to keep the roads and grass nice and trimmed. Because of it, they got a real nice walking path. And before you know it, the straw'll come along and sweep away all the debris and trash. Ain't nothing like a neat and tidy path. Y'all want to know how folks keep them canals looking so darn clean in the good old US of A? Pruning privet hedges is sure a fun and right purty job. It takes some concentration and the right pruning skills to get them looking just right. You gots to know about trees and how to tell different privet types apart and how to trim them up just right for each. Not only does it make the place look good, but it also makes sure the trees keep on living and staying green and fresh. Ain't nothing like having a well-trimmed fence. It got a sharp edge and real flexible construction that make it easy to trim up them plants in your garden or home decoration. You can make curves and angles with ease and precision, saving you time and effort. With the tree trimmer, you can make all sorts of shapes with your plants and make the place look right purty. Looking at this here, I'm feeling right inspired to get me a pruning job so I can whittle the trees however I please, even turning them into all sorts of shapes like maybe a bear. Now that's what I call an all-in-one pruning machine. This tractor's got two pruners, one for the front and one for the rear. With this bad boy, you can prune just about anything, from hedges to pesky weeds.